In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Booking.com Invoice as PDF. Before we jump in, there's one key distinction to understand. Booking.com often acts as an agent for accommodation bookings, which means the formal tax invoice is usually issued by the hotel or property, not by Booking.com. If you need an official invoice for accounting or tax purposes, you'll typically need to request it directly from the property. For other services like flights or car rentals, you may be able to download a proof of payment or receipt from your booking details within Booking.com. Now, let's walk through how to get a PDF copy of what Booking.com can provide. Start by going to the Booking.com website or opening the app and sign in with the same account you used to make the reservation. Once you're signed in, head to the area where your reservations live. On the website, click your profile icon at the top right, then choose Bookings and Trips or My Bookings. In the app, look for a similar section with your trips or bookings. Open the reservation you're interested in. Locate the booking you need and select it to see the full details. On the web, look for the ellipsis, the 3 dots next to the reservation's price. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose View Booking to expand all available options. You're looking for a link or button labeled something like Print Confirmation or Print Receipt. If you see that option, click or tap it. When the print dialog opens, choose Save as PDF or select Print and then Save as PDF from your printer options. This creates a PDF you can store, email, or upload where needed. Keep in mind, this is typically a receipt or proof of payment rather than a formal tax invoice, which is why hotels generally issue the official document for accommodation stays. If you don't see a built-in invoice or print option on the booking page, there's still a simple workaround. Open your booking confirmation email for that reservation and use your device's print function to save it as a PDF. For most browsers and devices, choosing Print will let you switch the destination to Save as PDF. This confirmation often serves as valid proof for reimbursements or personal records. That's it. By signing in, opening your booking, checking for the print or receipt option, and saving to PDF, you'll have a clean copy ready to go. And remember, for a formal tax invoice for hotel stays, reach out to the property directly.